the other side coming back.
Yeah.
What's that?
Good.
Keep your outside arm nice and straight going forward. Keep that top hand pushing straight down. Straight down. Watch when the other person puts their paddle in, that's when you want to put yours in. Same thing with out. They come out, you come out.
All right, get your elbow up. There you go.
That rotation, let me see that rotation now. What's the rotation? Rotation is when you twist. Now let it run.